Hey, how you doing? I am Chris,
My name's Cameron.
and we are the hosts of SolarEdge Night Mode, and we are here in your garage right now.
Yep. So the fun thing about my garage is it is a kind of de facto remote test lab. So you may notice some weird things behind me, like this all-in-one main meter combo service entrance right next to a span panel inside of a garage. The reason we have this here is so I can test the brand new SolarEdge Nexus Islander. And the best way to test that is on a meter base. So
In real world conditions.
in real world conditions. So we've got it connected to my house. And again, the cool thing about having a test lab in your garage is I've tested everything from the StoreEdge with the LG Chem Resu 10H all the way up through now the SolarEdge Nexus solution. And so the bad news is you have a test lab in your garage.
So you've worked a lot of hours off hours.
Yeah, just playing with software.
Speaking of which, it has been an incredibly busy December and holiday season for all of us. Want to send a special thank you out to the logistics and field team and integration teams who have worked tirelessly this month to make our beta installation project a success. We've got a lot of this equipment that's hanging on people's walls, that's out there in real world conditions being tested right now, and we want to send a special thank you to each and every one of you who made that happen.
Yeah, absolutely. And with every alpha test or beta test that we install, we learn something more and new about our equipment, and we're able to improve it so it is ready to go by the time you get it. And you have the best experience possible. That's the whole point of doing this.
Yep, rigorous testing. And speaking of testing, I think we're going to be testing out the SolarEdge Nexus Islander right now and sending your house into backup with the SolarEdge Nexus solution.
Yeah, let's do it. So
All right.
I've got the Nexus Islander installed on this main meter combo here. Chris is going to go around to my real service entrance and turn off the main circuit breaker. And I've got this light right here that's going to show us when the grid goes down. So Chris, I'm ready whenever you are.
Power going off in 3, 2, 1.
All right, light turned off. That means the grid is down. And now we can see the inverter turning back on. And now the SolarEdge Nexus solution is powering my home. And we can see that the light is on and everything is working great as it should.
Yep. So really glad to see this product doing as well as it is in all of this beta testing. Again, thank you to everyone who made the testing possible. And we apologize for not being around this month, but it's been really busy. But you will see us back in January on our normal schedule.
Absolutely. So SolarEdge has got me backed up. It's got you backed up.
Yep.
And it's got them backed up.
Absolutely. So from all of us to all of you, happiest of holidays. Love you all. Have yourselves a wonderful season. And yeah, thanks for sticking with us.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year's.
Yeah. So stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers.
Audio sync.
We failed.
Audio sync.
Got it.